Attention shoppers.
Oh, come on.
So this is what we're looking at. This is the assembly so far, and what we've done is this is 3/4 inch black pipe. We've got one of these corners right there, and you've noticed by now that we're going for a different assembly because we've got recliners. We're going to try to get this to go above. So we've got a T-joint there. That comes out for counterweight. That is going to then distribute the weight up here. What we're trying to go for is we're trying to have all of the weight come straight up and down right on these, because those boards are pretty heavy. We've got these joints right here, and we've put the screw on the outside because we can get a little bit of bend, because we're gonna have to put some pretty immense weight right there. So now we're gonna add the boards, see how it turns out. Yeah, this is all going together like in real time, right in the middle of the store. It seems to be working. I mean, the thing is, we have got the 2x8x8s joined together. We've selected 2 of the straightest pieces we could find. Trust me, it was harder than herding a field of cats together. But we got 2 pieces. They're joined together with hardware on the bottom. I don't know if you're going to be able to really see that. We're going to go into detail in a little bit, but we've got some pipes and some pipe clamps, 3/4 inch back there. So we're going to go ahead and sand this. All right, right now we are in the process of sanding out these 2x8x8s, removing all the rough edges like Clint Eastwood taking anti-anxiety medication. You kids can stay on my lawn as long as you want, you punks. So this is going to be what's holding these 2 pieces together and to the metal pipe assembly that you're going to see below. All right, so what you're looking at here, that's a 12-inch 3/4 black iron pipe. We've got 3/4 pipe clamps. Those are set into the wood with some wood screws, and we've got the hardware here. If you look at the bottom of this, this is going to be thicker than that. So you're going to have to overcome that. What we did is put in a shim. So I've got a shim, and that is going to raise that pipe. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect, because that's all going to come out in the mix after a little while. You can actually adjust that with the pipes itself. All stained and gorgeous. Yeah, I can't do that accent. This is the finished project. So we have created the theater bistro. This is 10 feet long. We've got our leather chairs set up. Our theater doesn't have a whole lot of room, and that's where the projector image occurs. The projector is actually in this closet over here, but here's the finished product. And we've got the feet that go that way. We've got the center brace over on that side. And this has got tons and tons of room. If you need to pitch it, that's what that joint is there for, just by tightening the screw here on the end. But we're just going to give you a quick demonstration and show you how functional this is. Okay, so Shannon's going to let down the back of the couch.
Complete with kitty.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Plenty headroom. And you've got room for your guests. So that is the final product. You've probably never seen one quite like that. And we had to do it a little bit unique, just because of the fact that we don't have a whole lot of room in this particular theater. But as far as everything's concerned, it turned out extremely well. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe as usual to this video. And this is brought to you by PCBBeachHome.com. Luxurious short-term beach rentals in Panama City Beach.